Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a cabin filter. This simple maintenance task significantly improves your vehicle's air quality and is easy to do yourself. First, ensure your car is safely parked and turned off. Then, gather your new filter and clear out your glove compartment completely. This initial preparation takes only a minute or two, setting you up for a smooth replacement process. Now let's access the filter. On the right side of your glove box, you will find a small dampener arm. Gently unhook it. Next, locate the two round stopper clips inside the glove box, one on each side. Turn each clip about a quarter turn counterclockwise, then pull them out. This allows the glove box to drop down, revealing the filter housing behind it. With the housing exposed, it's time to remove the old filter. You will see a rectangular cover on the filter housing. On its left side, there are two pinch clips. Squeeze these clips together and pull the cover straight towards you to remove it. Now, you can see the old filter. Simply slide it straight out of its slot. Notice how dirty it is, and remember the airflow arrow direction for proper installation. Now for the new filter installation. Take your fresh cabin air filter and insert it into the housing, making sure the airflow arrow points downwards. Once it's fully seated, reattach the filter housing cover, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Finally, lift the glove box, reinsert and turn the two stopper clips clockwise, and reattach the dampener arm on the right side. Close your glove box, and you are all done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.